Hello, fellow traders. Okay, here's the deal. Most of us have been there. We've done some work on the live side of ThinkOrSwim. Now, I'm over here on the paper trading side, but we've done a lot of work, let's say, on the live side of ThinkOrSwim. And you decide you want to test that with paper trading on the simulated side. And we've all been there. When you go and take a look on the simulated side, you see that the stuff is not there. And at this point, if you've got a lot of stuff, you think, shouldn't there be a way that I could just move all of that stuff over, everything all at once? And that's what we're going to show you how to do now, to get all of that stuff, things like charts and other stuff like that, moved over. Okay, so let's get out of ThinkOrSwim. Only to get back in ThinkOrSwim, but this time, let's remember to get on the live side. All right, it's installing updates. Let's skip that. Okay, it's time to log in, but before we put in our password, let's remember to click here to go into the live trading side. Now we can put in the password. Okay, we are in ThinkOrSwim now. Notice we're on the live side. And if we go into certain place, let's go to studies, and just look on the live side, there's plenty of stuff over here. All right, how do we get that stuff over to the paper trading side? Well, here's how. Let's go to Setup. Now, I'm going to back things up just to be on the safe side. So, Setup, I'm going to come down to Save Workspace As, and I'll save this as, okay, Live 2. Just to name it something, just in case we made a backup. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to Setup, and now instead of Save Workspace, we're going to Share. Click on Share Workspace. So now it tells us, gives us this pop-up. We'll click on Share, and as soon as we see this open link thing, we will click on it. Now that will take you someplace that has URL. That's the URL that we're going to need in a moment. I'm typing Control-C, or however you want to copy that. Copy that URL. Then we can go back to ThinkOrSwim. Okay, at this point, since we have the URL, we can leave live. See, this is on the live side. We're going to leave the live side and go to the paper trading side. All right, once again, we get out of ThinkOrSwim only to get back into ThinkOrSwim. It should come up in a moment. And most likely it will be installing all updates. It always is. So let's skip over some of that. All right, we're to the point of putting in the password, but remember to click on paper money so that we'll go to paper trading. Now we can start the password process. Okay, we're now in ThinkOrSwim paper trading, simulated trading. So let's go over to Setup. And now you want to click at Open Shared Item. When we do that, it'll ask for URL. That's the URL we just copied. So I'm now typing Control-V. That puts in the URL that we copied. Click on Preview. And now Import. Now notice it's put that as 5217. When we go to Setup, now notice it's not there yet. Let me show you that. Studies, Edit Studies. See, it's not here yet. We need to do another step. Let's go to Setup, And here's the 5217. That workspace is there now, available to us. We can click on that and say, you really want to do this? Yes, we do. Now, don't panic. It should come back. Yeah, it did. Okay, it comes back. And now we should have our information. So notice this is paper trading. And now when we go, you can see that graph is a lot different. When we go into studies, we see that, yes, our stuff is there. All right, that's how you would do it. If you like this video, please click on like for us. And thank you so much for watching.